Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to contact FTX support through your FTX wallet, right? So this is your wallet app right here. As you can see, if we go to settings right here, we can see that we can go under profile and click on support. Now here we have three different options. We can either visit our help center. We don't want that, right? We want to contact support directly. So what we will do is we'll click contact support here. Here you can put your invest category or categories that you have problems with. So for example, if we have a trading issue, we can click on trading issue. Here we can create a new ticket. So title of the ticket, message of the ticket. Then we can click next. And obviously, once we submit the ticket, we can go back here. And once we submit the ticket, we can go to support. We can go to support conversations, and here we will have our tickets, right? So we will have our tickets, with support, and here you will be able to, contact support and reply to support, and support will be able to also reply to you and your problems as well. So this is basically the basic way of how to contact your FTX support for your wallet or for your exchange or anything. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next crypto video. Thank you guys for watching.